Hello again. So when I was showing you the CO2 tank, one of the things I forgot to tell you was about using the Teflon tape. If you have a part that needs to be taped, like on the regulator, one of the screws that is leaking, you need to put Teflon tape on it. Back it out and tear off a piece of the tape, and you need to wrap it on in a reverse direction, counterclockwise, so that when you screw it in, it will tighten up properly. So what I want to talk to you about now is the batteries. We talked about this earlier, but I thought we'd put it on film as well, making sure everybody was handling their batteries properly. First of all, make sure you carry your batteries in the cardboard boxes. Don't throw the batteries in the back of the truck or in one of the crates or anything like that, because the terminals could break off or they could connect with one another and sparks fly, that sort of thing. The box is the best place to carry your batteries. That's number one. And so you're going to connect your batteries to the charger in the same way you connect them to the trap. So each battery will have a wire connector that connects the negative and the positive together, and then you will take a lead from the charger and connect it to the red to red, black to black. And you'll do that for each one of your batteries. And the charger has 10 leads on it, so you can charge 20 batteries at a time. And when you turn the charger on, you have your batteries all connected. The red lights mean the batteries are charging. The green lights, if they're flashing, it means the battery is near charged. And when it's solid green like this one, it means the battery is fully charged. And you can take it off. So when you bring the batteries in from the field, the first thing you need to do is make sure you check the voltage on the batteries. And you'll do this with the individual batteries. Just take the positive lead, touch it to the positive terminal, and the negative lead to the negative terminal of each battery, making sure that your voltage is at least 6 volts or higher. If it's below 6 volts, then you need to bring those batteries back to the lab so that we can desulfonate them. And so each of you have a regulator. It may be a different color than this one, but Taylor has marked it as far as to where you need to turn the switch to. In this case, it's over here to 20 DC volts, and the regulator will come on showing 0, and once you touch it to the batteries, it's going to give you a reading of 6 volts or higher. After these batteries are charged, by the way, be sure to turn this off after you use it each time, or the battery's going to wear out. So after the batteries are charged, this is what you want to look for in terms of the charge level. It needs to be 6.325 or higher. It may go up to as high as 6.7, I think Taylor was saying she's seen. The battery's fully charged, 100% charged. After you use it for one night of trap running, it may be down to just over 6 volts, like 6.03, which is 25% charge left. What I'd like you to do is just every time you run your trap, bring the batteries in and go ahead and charge them. Connect them to the charger and let it run completely through the night, and the next morning all your batteries should be charged. And you should check them to make sure that your voltage is 6.3 or higher. If it's lower, one of these intermediate levels, then you want to switch to a different battery, because for some reason that battery didn't get the proper charge. Okay? So, is there anything else that I forgot on the batteries? No? Okay, good.